Alright guys, last bike. I've just done videos on all these other bikes, so if you're interested, check out our YouTube channel. We just got a whole bunch of new bikes in, so I'm kind of rushing to do them all at once here. This is Dana from Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick, Rhode Island. We also have a little SRL down in Exeter. And I'm out here today with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Heritage 114. Now this year the Heritage comes in a chrome option as well. The 107 version comes in chrome. The 114 comes with a blacked out engine still. Chrome pipes, black engine. Blacked out wheels, blacked out forks, blacked out headlight and passing lamp buckets. So this, for a long time I've thought the Heritage is like the best for what you get. What you pay, you get the most content for what you pay. It's a great bike if you want to do around town, if you want to do touring. The new Heritage has these way upgraded saddlebags. They're locking bags, semi-water resistant as well. It does have a detachable windshield on it, so if you want to have your face in the wind, it takes 2 seconds to pop this windshield off, and you can have your face in the wind if you're going on a long trip. You can snap it back on and keep the bugs out of your teeth. LED lights, both the passing lamps and the headlight are LED. So let's go ahead and start this bike so you can hear it run. Forgotten to mention the color. This is a new color for this year. This is Billiard Red, which is kind of like a flat red. Doesn't have any metal flake in it. It adds really cool effect out here in the sunlight. Right there, this bike is beautiful. Anyway, anyone would be proud to have this bike in their garage. I know I would. So come on down to Ocean State Harley-Davidson. Check our full current inventory out online at oceanstatehd.com. Hopefully by the time you check it out, I'll have all these videos posted and everything will be up to date. So appreciate you watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. And enjoy it out there. Catch some sunshine while you can. All right, we'll talk to you soon.